Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to update your city on LinkedIn. Whether you're moving, exploring new job markets, or just want to refine your professional online presence, keeping your location current is key. So, let's get started. First, open your LinkedIn app on your mobile device. Once you're in, look at the top left corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture there. Tap on it. That's your gateway to the next step. Next, a menu will slide out. Look for the Me icon. Tap on it to view your profile. This is where you'll find all the details that make up your professional identity on LinkedIn. Now that you're on your profile, you need to access your settings. Find the Settings option. Once you're in the Settings menu, navigate to Account Preferences. This section is like the control panel for your LinkedIn account, where you can tweak various settings to match your needs. Under Profile Information, you'll see several options related to your profile details. Look for Name, Location, and Industry, and tap on it. This is where you can edit these details. To make changes, you'll need to click on the Edit icon, which usually looks like a little pencil. This icon indicates that you can modify the information in that section. Under the Location section, you'll see your current city. Tap on it to change it. A list of cities will appear, or you can type in your new city. Select the correct one from the options that LinkedIn suggests. Once you've updated your city, the final step is to save your changes. Look for the Save button, usually located at the bottom. Tap it to apply the new location to your profile. And that's it. You've successfully updated your city on LinkedIn. This simple update can help recruiters find you, expand your network, and open doors to new opportunities in your desired location. Remember, keeping your LinkedIn profile up to date is essential for making the most of this powerful professional platform. So, take a few minutes to review your profile regularly and ensure all your information is current and accurate. Good luck, and see you in the next video.